better. Oh my god, it's so much better. Why did I have those lines on here? What's up, Jack? What's up? Do you guys like my red light district behind me, by the way? How's my red light district, guys? SMC Krishna. I'm back with my mentor. I'm learning so much stuff. Look at my chart. Look how different my chart is. I still have a lot more I need to add to my plan and stuff like that, but I'll get it done, you know. It's just I don't have much time in the day because of work and stuff, but I'm putting in the hours, man. I'm putting in the work. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me, guys. This shit keep happening, man. Stupid. Putting in the hours, guys. Trust me. Man, why would I enjoy Photon of Phantom when I have my own mentor that is insanely good? You know, why would I do that? Why would I go do something with someone that I don't trust, that I don't know? You know, when I trust and I know my mentor as a person, I know who he is, I know what he's capable of, I know the results he's getting. Why on earth would I just go to some random guy because of popularity? Doesn't make sense, man. Nah, man. Why would I? You guys are always trying to recommend me all this internet stuff, man. You guys are always trying to recommend me this stuff. Always do this, do that, do this, do that. Just relax, man. Just chill. You guys need to chill, man. I know you guys are trying to help, but just chill out. Just chill, yeah. Man, you guys know how to trigger me, man. Fucking start my morning all good, and I already have people telling me how to live my life. God damn, guys. Come on, man. Please, please, I beg you, please, just relax, yeah.
A few of you know what it is to have something to so scald you, so burn you, so beat you, so pulverize you that your fight goes out of you. And you're so scattered and so broken and so fragmented that you don't even know whether you can ever live again, or whether you will ever smile again, or whether you will ever live to fight another day, or whether you'll be able to pull yourself together just to fake a smile for a few minutes in front of people to say, I'm doing okay, knowing you're lying on the inside. I'm talking about going through so much that something inside of you dies. And you wonder, can I get back up again?
In that moment when life comes at you the fucking hardest, you will panic and you will forget who the fuck you are.
Success will taste stressful because your opportunities come wrapped in opposition. Opportunity comes in chaos. It is good to be uncomfortable. I've never met anybody who was terribly creative or gifted or strong in leadership who was also comfortable. Those exceptional people who are uncomfortable with the times and rise to the challenge because they refuse to allow the chaos around them to determine the conqueror within them. People who resist the toll to go down and stand fiercely in spite of opposition and say, I'm going to do it anyway.
I don't care what it is. I don't care how many times you've had to cry yourself to sleep. I don't care how difficult it is. Don't you dare give up now. Because whatever is over you defines you. And whatever defines you limits you. You better put some strength in your back, plant your feet, square your shoulders, and stand up to it. Don't you dare sit down. Don't you dare crumble under the weight of it. Don't you dare give in because of the nature of it. Don't you dare go home and raise the white flag of surrender. This is not your season to die. This is not your season to quit. There's joy, there's peace, there's breakthrough, but you'll never see it if you don't stand up to it.
I'm not trying to veer to the left or veer to the right or gradually get it together. I'm getting ready to do something so radical and so massive, I'm gonna turn the whole thing 180 degrees.
And when that thing tells you to quit, you look at it in his eye and say, I ain't going nowhere. I will break you before you break me. I will break you. You will not defeat me. You will not destroy me. You can't take me. You will not break me. You will not stop me. You will not defeat me. The only way I lose is if I quit. It's going to be a dogfight. You can contain it for a while, but you cannot stop this. You can't stop it. You've been through so much hell. You gonna quit now? Don't cry to give up. Cry to keep going. Sometimes in life, you have to hit back. Allow your pain to push you to greatness. I've been broken so much. I've been defeated so much. I've been disappointed so much in my life that I know what it feels like and I can handle it. And when you get to success, it's not about skill. When you get to a certain level of success, it's about stamina. Are you hearing what I'm telling you? Once you get to that point, you cannot be broken anymore.
Go get your doggone stuff and don't let nobody tell you no. Don't run from the chaos. Stand still and let the chaos run from you.
What happened to no SMC? Well. Man, I said to myself, look, I just can't go back to flags, guys. I just can't. I'm sorry, but I look at the flags and I'm like, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do the flags, you know. And I know I can do SMC. I know I just have to add a few things, tweak some things, man, and it'll be alright, you know. God, what the fuck was up in my eye? What do you guys think of my red light district behind me, by the way? What do you guys think of nobody? Man, I thought it was so cool, by the way. I was like, everybody on stream is gonna love it. No one is Man, I have my own mentor, guys. I have my own mentor that taught me how to trade SMC, okay? The thing is, what he taught me, I made my own stuff, you know, made my own strategy, you know. What he's doing now is he's teaching me how to trade exactly like him. Alright? I'm gonna trade exactly like him. Do you understand? So that's what I'm doing from now on. I'm not just trading my plan, I'm trading basically his plan, you know. But I have to learn because there's some other concepts that he does that I haven't been using. And he's someone I trust very, very much, and you know, I'm someone he cares a lot about. So you know, I'm not just like a number. Do you know what I mean? I'm not just like a number of a student or whatever. So please understand and respect that. I know you guys only know of Phantom, you only know of this person, you only know of that person. You guys have to understand that just because something is popular, yeah, doesn't mean that it's always the best way to go. Yeah, there's other people out there that trade in the shadows. There's other people out there that trade and you don't even know who they are. Okay, and me personally, I trust those kind of people more. I'm more inclined to those kind of people because those kinds of people, right, they don't need to show off. They don't need to keep their life in public. They don't need to do this and that. You know, they do their own thing. They make their money. You know, they're good at their job. They know what they're doing, and that's it. You know, and they help people here and there, and that's it. You know what I mean? I understand you guys only know of Phantom and Phantom this and Phantom that, and that's fine. That's fine, but please understand and respect that, you know, I have my own mentor, I have my own people that I trust, and that's it. So please respect that, please understand that, or else you guys are gonna piss me off once again in the morning, okay? And I don't want to do that, because if I start doing that consistently now, I'm just not gonna stream anymore, because I want to have good vibes and everything. But every morning now I'm having people spamming, you know, being disrespectful and this and that, you know. So I'm asking you guys to just please be more respectful. That's it. And understand that, you know, I'm not gonna do everything you guys say, you know. No, my mentor's not the guy from Guerrilla Trading. You guys don't even know who my mentor is, man. Don't even know who he is. Did you guys, there was a trade yesterday where I put my order block, but it was only a second's time frame. But obviously I'm working, it's very hard. But this entry right here, guys, just a joke here, 15 seconds. There wasn't one of the 1 minute, and then could have entered here. This is what I had forecasted, but if you go to the 1 minute, that's using, you know, the stuff that he's taught me so far that I need to add to my plan and stuff. Well, basically, like I said, we're changing my whole plan to kind of like his plan, you know, for me to trade like he does, basically. So yeah, I had Chuck here for the 1 minute, but I had an order here and a order here, because trading on the 15 seconds when you're working is very difficult, you know. Yeah, only EU, man. So here's how I'm gonna start doing things. Yeah, I'll do my analysis, I'll do my order blocks, everything. Yeah. Your psychology is not the same as your mentor, though. Don't worry. Anything he knows, he'll just teach me, Jack. You know, nobody is special. I don't believe anybody's special in this world, you know. I believe you can always learn and you can always become the person you want to become, you know. And it's like, if obviously, Jack, if I'm trading a different style, yeah, I will have a different result, yeah. Once I learn more and I'm more conservative. For example, yeah, yesterday, that was the only order block I had on my screen, was this one. So I was only waiting for that trade, yeah. So it's just a shame that obviously didn't get it trade, and that was it. That was it for the day. I was done for the day. Do you understand? Like, I have a much better understanding of the higher time frame direction and things like that, and how to put it all together. Obviously, I'm still working on it. It's only been like a day. I only did a lot of work last night. So, do you know what I mean? Give me a bit more time. It's a bit difficult, obviously. I'm not having much time. Don't have much time right now, but just for a bit more time, I will I'll get it. But there's more other things that he has to teach me as well. There's loads of other things, man. Well, that was just the first part. That was just a half an hour, you know, thing. But obviously, I'm messaging him every day. Everything, any other questions I have, but there's a lot of stuff I need to still add and improve on. Right from the get-go, the thing I noticed here, that my plan compared to his plan was like, my plan, I tried to make SMC like system into a system, whereas his plan is like, it's kind of like, how can I even explain it? It's kind of like, I analyze it, like it's in my hands to make all that analysis, if that makes sense. Whereas with mine, it was like strict this and this and this. Whereas with now, it's like analyze, but do this analytical point, do this analytical point, kind of like that. You know what I mean? Where mine was like strict this and this, and that's it. Does that make sense? So it makes me understand what the market is actually doing and trying to do. Hope that makes sense. Oh, sorry, Krishna. You feel a lot of hesitation. You missed 2 really good trades. You're unable to make balance between being conservative and being aggressive. Well, in that case, I would oh, well, you have to ask yourself, why did you miss the trades? Why did you miss the trades? You have to understand that there's always going to be the next trade, you know? There'll always be the next trade. So just try your best to understand why you missed those. Don't do it again. And then just focus on the next trade. Or you got scared. Are you trading like a new style or something? Oh, the same trade that I pointed. I mean, it met all the criteria. The only reason I didn't trade it is because I wasn't looking at the 15 seconds because I was working, you know what I mean? So, but if you were scared, there's no reason to be scared for this trade, because if you did all your analysis, you should trust, you should believe in yourself, you know? And it was quite obvious that price is trying to, you know, first of all, in an uptrend, you know, it's pretty much the only candle left for it to mitigate, and it just tapped into it, you know, swept clear liquidity. Like, this was a easy, not easy, yeah, easy, obvious setup in my eyes anyway. Like, swept these equal lows, swept the Asia lows, made a chalk on the 15 seconds, you know, it swept the liquidity aggressively. I mean, everything's there. It was a very clear trade if you were looking at the seconds time frame. So yeah, well, you have to believe in your analysis, bro. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Understand your criteria, and it doesn't matter what you feel. Yeah, you shouldn't try to focus on what you feel. Just focus on just executing what you're supposed to do, or you're supposed to execute. Guys, I will start another challenge probably Monday, by the way. I think Monday I'll start another challenge. It's just all a bit. Oh yeah. Just all a bit confusing, man. I might leave this job, I might not. Don't know. I kind of have this other opportunity to work somewhere else, and now I'm thinking, oh my god, how am I gonna be able to trade? And I'm just thinking, jeez. But bro, you have to believe in yourself, man. You have to believe in yourself. Why? What? Give me three reasons why you don't believe in yourself. Why don't you believe in yourself? You don't believe in yourself, or you don't believe in your trading plan? You're joking, Ace. You're fucking joking, bro. There's no way. There's no way you bought an ftmo last year and you haven't taken the first trade. Nah, you're joking. So you believe in your plan, but you have a fear of losing. Okay. Believe trying to get rid of, yeah, okay. Man, you're gonna lose, you know, because even if it's a good trade, there's still a chance that you're gonna lose. Am I lying or what? There's still a chance you're going to lose. How do I make this even smaller? To me, it's just too big. Anyone know how I can make this? Is there any way to make this even smaller? What's up, Mohammed? Yeah, back on SMC. Yeah. I just started learning SMC, then I realized there was a lot more I needed to learn and decided to do a lot more forward testing first. Okay, that's a good, yeah, it does take a long time. I have made a very strict approach to SMC trading, so the number of trades are quite less. How many trades per month on average, Krishna? I get what you mean, guys. I understand. In that case, Ace, then you're a very smart man. You know? Never mind. There's a break of a flip here, so. Don't listen to Mohammed. Just stick to your plan, bro. Just don't listen to what Mohammed says. Do you see what I mean, Krishna? Do you see what it's like being me? You see what it's like? The solution to all your problems, guys. Try ICT concepts. Swear to God, man. His problem is nothing to do with his strategy, and you man are telling him, try ICT concept. You fucking kidding me? Krishna, yeah. You see what I mean, yeah? You see what it's like. You see what it's like. Listen, this is what I'm gonna tell you, yeah. If missing some opportunities in a week, yeah, 3 opportunities in a week, whatever, is affecting you a lot, then just understand that you only need like 1 or 2 good trades, you know, to pass the challenge. So, you know, there's gonna be another trade. There's probably gonna be a really good trade today. There's probably gonna be a really good trade tomorrow. You know, there might be more than one good trade today and tomorrow. Just try to be. Right now I'm just focused on learning everything I need to learn, you know. I probably shouldn't even have streamed this morning. Actually, I'm gonna do a bit of back testing. Don't know why I'm just sat here doing nothing. Let me do a bit of back testing. How's this, man? Disgusting. Why would I trade the Asian session? I need to sleep. Good morning, I am self. Good morning, good morning. Who here is on the way to work? And let's try to focus here. Okay. So the man is in control for a bit, needs plan in control for a bit, make it a low lag, okay, but also temporary because we mitigated this. And did a flip here, so broke this, reacted, that broke, so the man is definitely in control. So looking for longs. So like this area or something. Still be looking for longs, to be honest. Yo, Georgia, what's up, man? How you doing, Georgie, man? Long time. It's a bit confusing, actually, so... Yeah, I'm expecting it to go higher, really, aren't I? expecting highs. It's just a question of picking the right order blocks now. This is something he hasn't told me yet, to pick which order blocks he picks on the lower time frames. Okay, just give me a sec. Fucking hell. What the fuck? That many pips on? Okay, interesting. Don't think this is gonna go much that far, to be honest. Let's see. I can just well, I'm expecting price to go up, but let's see. I'll go risk free now. Damn. I wonder why price went all the way down there. Fuck, it came all the way to mitigate this 5-second order block. That's mad. That's crazy, no? Hello Lorenzo, man. What's up? I'm good, thank you. Just going back to learning more stuff. SMC to improve my game. You know, I'm getting some help from my mentor, which I haven't spoke with in like 9 months. So hopefully within, once I pick everything up, I'll be even better. His strike rate, Strike rate, I think he said it's like 35-40%. He said, I think. Can't remember. It's been ages. I'll ask him again. Next time I speak with him, I'll ask him. Look, would have been a 10-hour trade. Ooh, that's nice, no? That's nice. That's nice. So essentially, yeah, you'd have your chalk. This would be a chalk. Man, I learned so much. Like I had half an hour with him, yeah, and I've learned. I can see the things that he does. That is so sick, man. Like the way he sees stuff, the way he reads price action is so insane, man. It's so insane the way he sees stuff. And like now, I'm looking at this and I can understand everything that happened. And he hasn't even taught me, like he hasn't even got to this part yet. He's only taught me about the higher time frame stuff. That's just the beginning, man. So honestly, I can understand a lot now, and everything's so clear. It's crazy. So essentially, yeah, this is the point here where demand is in control. Yeah, this is the point right here that demand is in control of this move. After it broke this part right here, demand is in control. Because here we mitigated this sort of block here, yeah, came back. Supply is still in control. This here, so breaks this here's the flip, and now demand is in control. As you can see, this here's the only candle that was there for the entry. Blah blah blah. My mentor's code. I can't disclose that, guys. I cannot disclose that. I'm sorry, but look at this. He hasn't even told me this part. My game is already escalating miles, and I've only really went into it like yesterday evening, man. Just give me a bit more time to learn everything, like everything in a way. Trust me, I'm gonna come back a trader that you guys are gonna be like, what the fuck? I'm gonna be talking about stuff you guys are gonna be like, oh my god, what the hell is this guy talking about? You'll see, you'll see. Man, I can't wait. He doesn't come from Phantom. Man, I can't wait. I can't wait, honestly. I cannot wait. Like, I'm gonna put a lot of hours this evening as well. I don't know if I'm gonna keep stream. Should I stream tomorrow? Because I want to use this like couple of hours before work as well, guys. Just study. But if I'm on oh my god, I'm trying to get my senses together. If I'm on stream, it's a bit harder for me to concentrate to study, but that's sick, man. Literally just insane. It's just insane. I'm loving everything. It's crazy. Like in half an hour, he managed to show me so much, and I haven't gone through everything as well because there's a lot. I'm gonna be picky with my trades. Everything's gonna be, you know, very good, guys. Man, this SMC can be profitable, guys. I have 2 mentors that trade SMC. I have 2, and they're both insanely good, you know, and they are profitable. It's just there is a lot to learn, guys. There's a lot to learn, and you can't miss anything out, because if you miss something out, you're not gonna be there. And you know, I was missing a lot of stuff out. Do you know what I mean? I took the concept here and I made my own little thing, you know, with the concepts. So I left a lot of stuff that I thought was like not needed, but in reality you kind of need everything. You need to understand everything, because if you don't understand everything, then you don't understand the whole price action. Does that make sense? And if you don't understand the whole price action, then you're gonna make mistakes, because you're missing out on stuff that you should know, you know. At least that's how we trade, because we are very like technical, you know. It's a lot of technical stuff. So basically, yeah, that's it. Guys, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, because 7 likes is a bit dead. We want to get as many people in here as possible, because I'm probably gonna start, depending on how my progress goes, yeah, and how something else that I have to do tomorrow goes, I might start my new challenge on Monday. Yeah, so we're gonna start the challenge on Monday. Yeah, by the way, the analysis that I'm gonna do in the morning, they will be what my chart will look like for the rest of the day. I'm not gonna change anything. Yeah, so you saw yesterday, yeah, how price reacted off this order block right here. Yeah, you could have got an entry, guys, yeah, with a 2 pip. My mentor actually took this, he had this same analysis as me, so I'm already really, you know, understanding what he's teaching me. And it was only 1 day. Mate, you could have made fucking 80R or whatever. Yeah, obviously no one's gonna really hold that much, because obviously the news, but you know, if you want, you could have held to the high. That's 20R. Yeah, now this analysis right here, but it's good. This analysis right here is good, right? But this one for today is not like yesterday, because yesterday I learned what I had to do, but there's some things here that I'm missing that I still haven't gone over 100%. So for example, this order block here, very good. This one right here, okay. This one here, I'm not too sure. This one here, very good. Okay, these 2 here, very good as well. Okay, so reaction of this, okay, a correct reaction, a good reaction from yourself as well. Yeah, 2 pip Nikolai, bro. That would have been a 2 pip trade. Look, I'll show you. I need to get ready, guys. I need to dress up and stuff. Look, we had equal lows right here. Yeah, there was an order block, so let's just imagine there was, because there was another block, there's an order block there. Yeah, this Asia lows, price swept the liquidity, boom, swept all of that, boom. What happens when price sweeps liquidity? Price sweeps liquidity, boom, and then what? Changes trend, whatever. Yeah, obviously if it hits something, you know. So if you notice very carefully, price reacted off kind of this here, you know. We not only did we do the flip, but we also did a chalk here. So there's a chalk here. You would have chosen the extreme candle with imbalance, and you would have probably entered a roundabout here. You know, you could have had a 2 pip stop loss very easily, you know. Then after it broke this high, put stop loss to break even, and you're flying, mate. You know, I didn't take this trade because I was waiting on the 1 minute, and I'm not 100% familiarized with the 15 seconds, but that's how it works essentially. And there's other little aspects that I'll show you guys and teach you guys as well. But I was waiting. I had my chalk here. You know, I was waiting for this candle to get mitigated, but because obviously I'm working, guys, 15 seconds will be a bit difficult for me to do that while I'm working. Do you know what I mean? But I had 2 orders there. I had one on this order block here, one on this order block here, but price just didn't come to mitigate. That's all good, but my analysis was 100% correct. I was expecting it to actually break the high, or at least come to here, and that's what happened basically. don't worry guys, because I'm gonna teach you guys everything I'm learning, everything I'm building. I'm gonna teach you guys. You're gonna understand. There's so much to this, guys. I already had learned so much. There's so much more, you know. And I honestly, I swear to you guys, yeah, I thought, cool, I'm gonna have half an hour session with him. He's gonna teach me. He's gonna teach me a little bit. I'll just add a little bit to my plan, and then when I realized the way he saw things, it is not the way I was seeing things, and I should have. You know, the way I made my plan to see things is not how it should have been, basically. So yeah, guys. Guys, there's 35 of you. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Come on, because next week I'm probably gonna start a new challenge. And yeah, Krishna, man, once I start the next challenge, you're gonna have to start with me. You can't be on there not trading your account, bro. Just give me a sec, guys. I need to get dressed up. I need to make breakfast. Give me like 5 minutes. I'm back. LFG, did you fail your last one? What's good, everyone? Are you asking me or someone else? Guys, we didn't actually watch the thing, by the way, did we? Let's have a look, shall we? Ow, ow, ow. We didn't actually watch.
Actually, gold is setting up nicely to take some trades today, but I'm probably going to leave it alone just because it's burnt me 3 or 4 times already. So I mean, it's nice to move up, but it is what it is. You know, just still somewhere in the middle.
I haven't even had time to watch stuff.
Move up more. I mean, I'm always shooting for number 1, so that's always going to be the plan. Get to number 1. But more than that, it's just take good trades. The account balance been increased, it's double. So a little bit bigger stakes, but at the end of the day, it's all about percentages. So really just, keep doing the same thing. Don't make any obvious dumb errors and just stick to the plan. Take good trades and, hopefully the account's value reflects that.
Well, last night I seen an opportunity in odd USD, which you see up from this one here. It was a nice entry. It went up about 30 odd pips. The Y lines here, so I'm trying to remember. I think I went in this one here. Yeah, this is the one I picked. And then it was just with the new candle, basically, turn of the day. Obviously, I went away to bed there. Got a nice move up. Was obviously hoping for it to hit my trend line and to continue up. Hasn't quite panned out the way I was hoping, but I found support down here in S1. So I'm hoping the next move up is breaking the half and back in business.
I'm in a little bit of a hole, to be honest, so just being not cautious, but I'm just going to wait and just be patient. When you're not sort of used to it, it's just knackering, mate. You're getting home and you're still in trades and you're talking about it and going to bed. In your brain, you're waking up at like 3, checking trades, 4. There's a lot of stuff away from here that you don't see. So I just personally feel today that I just need to just be patient, mate. There's a lot of other factors that you don't see. You go into it, it's mentally and emotionally, and I just don't want to be diving into things just because I'm bottom of the group. I'd rather just just try and keep myself composed and patient, and then see how the day pans out.
I feel a bit tired. So there's a lot goes on away, like emotionally, with your trades that you don't always see. So, it's a competition. Are they going the right way? Then your brain never switches off, so you might wake up 2 or 3 times in the night. Maybe try not to check your phone, but yeah, it's just coming to the back end of the week, it sort of catches up with you a little bit. So I just feel a bit tired today, yeah. But just try not to allow that to affect what I'm doing at the table, really.
Calling it kind of a safety Thursday. Stocks trading a little bit heavy. It's utilities, it's healthcare. They're in the green within the S&P. That's classic. Yields pushing higher here, up 2 basis points on the 2-year. 41 basis points there is where we sit. No surprise then you're seeing some money flow into the dollar, the yen, and the Swissy. Euro dollar down, well, was down a little bit more, but 116 is where we sit.
I was looking for buy something in the yen, so GBP yen or USD yen or Euro yen. But I'm pretty sure we're going to see a biggest drawdown than actually it is. So I prefer to wait for buy something in the yen against the yen. So actually I'm up 0.1% on my 2 position. So nothing really interesting. I go in the 0.5%, draw down to 0.7% actually for today. So I'm just wait.
Yeah, just being honest, I was absolutely exhausted. So getting down on the account, the last thing I want to do is start making trades and then thinking, well. So I guess it's part of the process, mate. Really.
Poor Callum. He's really feeling, isn't he?
Yeah, I think if it was my own money, I wouldn't be trading my own money. Probably have a day off. So
if it was my own money, I wouldn't trade my own money.
And honest, even though it's hard, but what you can do.
Fuck being respectful when you have to win the challenge.
How's it going? Are you seeing anything? Have you got anything lined up? Are you waiting for anything?
And this guy looks like he has already died. That's how much trading affects you. He looks like he's already dead. Look at him. If you look at this guy and he had a bad health condition, right? And he was like 70 years old. You'd think this guy's gonna die at any point. My nigga. Don't pick your nose. Camera.
But I'm obviously, I'm in like a bit of a hole, do you know what I mean? To the guy who can knack it. I wouldn't, I know it's a competition, but I wouldn't trade my own money like that, do you know what I mean? So I wouldn't.
Yeah. Is it worth taking a break or try that, taking a break?
Yeah, I've sort of just been nipping in and out, but it obviously looks like I'm
Feels like you've given up on us.
No, I ain't giving up. I'm just being honest, man. I don't want to jump. I don't want to jump in just for the sake of competition. I wouldn't do it with my own money, so I wouldn't.
Yeah, I get that.
Just be disrespectful and just start taking trade because I'm behind. Do you know what I mean?
Mentally tired.
Yeah, it's all new. You know, like taking trades overnight and your mind's still going. You're looking at trades, waking up constantly. I mean, I think it's just been a long week.
I guess everyone else is in trades or has taken at least a trade today, except you. But it's just try and at least take one or two today.
I'm not just going to take a trade, mate. I'm being honest. I'm not just going to take a trade for the sake of taking a trade.
But the setup.
Huh?
The setup. That's the setup. Look at that. It's trending lovely. You'd already be halfway to profit. It's not I'm not telling you to force trades. I'm telling you that there's been 4 or 5 setups at least today, and that everyone else. It's not like no one's in trades. It's only you that hasn't taken any trades. I'm just saying to you if you want to go into next week, you probably need to take at least one trade today. Reset, come back. You just got to think about it. It's like, one more push this afternoon, and then tomorrow. And then, do you know what I mean? What you need is like 2 good trades. 2 to 1, and you're up. That's $2,000. So.
Yes, I'm down. I'm tired. All these factors.
Fuck your excuses, man, you little bitch.
Come into play. So.
Fucking getting the opportunity to be there. I'm tired. Mate, you got an afternoon and another day. Yeah. After all this you've been through and you're here telling us you're tired. Mate, you have a day and a half. Yeah, stop being a pussy. It's a competition.
I'm just sitting patient, mate, today, and
sitting patience is not gonna win you the fucking challenge. You're gonna get kicked out.
Sort of not jumping in. Just waiting for the market to give me a signal, and hopefully, you just need sort of 1 or 2 trades, and you can be back in the game. So
Sky, mate.
If not, it goes further the other way, and
so what? You have nothing to lose now.
Bye for me if
it's
I don't
already bye for
today,
you if you don't take a trade. So
that'll be disappointed because it's been amazing. But again, I've learned a lot. So
right now it looks like it's going my way. Obviously the currencies, the Dixie's coming down here. What I wanted. I've got a nice play on the dollar Swiss franc here. It's obviously trending down nicely for me. I'm making a little bit of money on that one. But my issue is Aussie against the dollar. It's playing around, so hopefully I can get the push up soon. I have 2 good trades rather than just one going my way. Every day, at least 3 times a day. It's a wealth tree, so come on. I watched it till about 12. I watched it till about 12, and it moved away, and it was looking good. And I thought, okay, let's just see.
Yeah, like that, you can justify closing that out. Whereas your trade you closed out yesterday.
Every time I win a trade,
guys,
it's gonna be like this.
Yeah. I think you talked yourself into closing those out.
I did, mate. Without doubt.
I think you asked me about the correlation. I said it's absolutely fine.
And I even spoke to Sam. I did, and then I came back.
You still closed them.
I was going to keep the dollar Swissy, which obviously was a good trade, and then I was going to close the EU because I felt the sentiment was off. But then I thought, well, if it comes again, I've closed the wrong one.
Every time I win a trade, guys, it'll be like this.
I thought, let's just go out, reset.
I'm going to put music.
That's just
So
what I
it's sort
felt
of
at the
like
time.
yeah,
Yeah,
it's,
I did.
you know,
I
it's
did,
all
yeah.
it's all part of the learning curve, really.
Yeah.
Pound yen long, euro USD long. The yen's gaining quite a bit of strength at the minute, so we'll see how it pans out. Can't think about it, 'cause if you think about it, then you're going to start chasing trades. So it is what it is. It's a really good setup. Entries here, and I'm targeting way up at these highs to fill this gap. I believe in the setup. Yen's been really weak recently, really weak, but you can see today it's gaining quite a bit of steam, so hopefully that sells off a bit more. Hopefully they bounce back, and they're both nice setups. I took one about 5:30 this morning, which I probably shouldn't have, should have waited, but that's how eager I am. I get up and I'm straight on the charts, having a look, and see a nice setup, so I took it. Yeah, I did it again today. I did. Placed a stupid trade this morning on GU whilst I was at home.
Typical,
about,
this is standard trading.
About 6:30 this morning, so not even in a session really. It was a silly decision. I should have waited. I'd need to just leave my computer at home in the mornings, don't even look at it until I get into the office, because I get too eager to impress. But if, like I say, if you see the setup, take it. Don't let it run away from you. But the day before, yeah, I shouldn't have taken that one. But
so guys, you've been involved with.
We've all been there. We've all been there.
Just 500. Well, 2 trades and I'm back in profits. It's my first day of being in losses. I'm not taking it well, but as I said, 2 trades and I'm back in business. Just don't like being down.
Existing home sales continue to power on. In fact, better than anticipated in terms of the numbers that we're seeing. We are at 6.29. The market was expecting 6.1. We're up from 5.8 last time round. On a month-on-month basis.
$165.51. I was very focused on 2s out to 5s. That's when the rate hike dance debate plays out. And that rate hike dance is getting pulled in. Deutsche Bank's Matt Lazzetti on the programme with us 24 hours ago talking up a rate hike.
Is it cheesy? A big camera in my face. 0.9 today. Let's see what's going on. Everything can be turnover, so stay focused, but good decision today. Good decision. I trade only buy on Euro Yen, NSG USD, GBP USD. I buy the dip.
I just got stopped out on GJ, but I still believe in the position. But obviously the EMA is crossed over, got divergence on the 30 minutes, so I just stay away from it because of the crossover on the 15 minute. Just back up to here or somewhere, which I just stay away from it. Because obviously yen's rallying.
What's cable down?
Just sitting there. I want to wait for a backbone, but I don't think I'm gonna come down that far. Pound JPY, unfortunately. Yen's just gained some strength out of nowhere. But I want to get back in, but as the EMAs are crossed on the 15 minute, I'm not allowed. And I still believe in this setup. I think it'd be a great trade. I pulled Elliot aside and he said, no, you're breaking the rules.
Yeah.
I'm still in Euro USD, and if that comes in, it will make $2,000. So I'll be back on top of the account. Everything's just a bit slow today, other than the yen rallying. So a bit disappointing, but it happens, can't let it get to me. But other than that, I don't want to start getting in more trades just for the sake of it, because it's not my money, it's Sam's money. And I don't want to go home either, so we'll see how we get on today. I really want to get back in that pound JPY, but I'm not allowed. So I just got to watch it rally without me. If it was my, oh yeah, I'd be back in already, straight away, as soon as I got stopped out, back in. But I think a lot of people are breaking rules. Anyway, everyone's trading correlated pairs, but I'm just going to stick with the one I've got. I'm not going to get in anything else unless I see a great setup. It's not the money getting to me, because it's all just percent based anyway. You don't think about the money, you think about the percentages. So
this is so funny, man.
Not really bothering me at all. It's just silly trades. Too eager to do well. getting too eager to impress. But, it didn't work out very well, obviously. It just, like Sam says, you're going to have losing days and you're going to have winning days. You can't let it beat you up at all. I was a bit disappointed yesterday, I was, just because I know I'm better than that, and I'm just trying to do well. But maybe rushed it a bit too much and got in a bit too early. But I still have faith. I'm not going to give up. I don't quit.
Well, we need off the pivot. It'd be nice.
Just tell me it's blue. Is it blue?
It's blue, yeah. We've still got about 4 minutes.
It's alright though. But you can see.
It's gold, man. It's gold as well. Going for gold, as they say.
It's coming. It's coming. Come on. Come on. Listen to me. Listen. Come on. Bit loud. Come on.
3 minutes.
Yeah.
Still above the UK pivot than me. So.
Yeah, exactly, mate. Exactly. It could even go down, nick some money again. Yeah, you can have a look at him. He's probably about break even right now. He's just waiting for that move. But it's above the UK pivot, so he's basically looking for the move.
Your hands are shaking. He's nervous. He's feeling it, boy. His body is feeling it.
Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
It's beginning to go. Just gotta hold up there now. That could be a lovely spot to get him. Gold.
Oh. Oh.
You going up?
Oh.
Dangerous gold.
Oh.
Yeah, he scalped it. He scalped it on the pivot, so he's hoping. Where's the switch off?
What do you guys think? Is he gonna manage to make that 2% back?
The ballsy play.
I took a long.
I mean, you'd have to take a trade quite
the Aussie dollar. Some news came out earlier, but it doesn't seem to have done anything. Probably already priced into the markets. Took it off of the lows here. Gave me a nice pin bar and an engulfing candle followed by that. So hoping that'll rotate back up to the top and I'll be able to get at least a 1-to-1. If it keeps pushing through there, I can get maybe like a 1.5 or 2-to-1 on that one. And then I took a short on USD CAD. I was in that yesterday. Took a 1.5-to-1 on it yesterday. Pulled back to about the same level. Took another short on it. Looks like it's trying to break down now. We'll see if it can hold the UK pivot and come down. Those are going to be my 2 trades for the day, and that's it. Not in profit.
Go down. 2 trades down. 600 pounds. 2 trades. So just waiting to see if it turns around.
Still in 2 trades, they're just sort of hovering around sort of break even at the moment, so it's just waiting it out really, and just maybe seeing what they do tonight or tomorrow and hopefully hit profit.
Really pissed. I'm in CAD short, that's in profit, and I'm in cable long. So if these 2 trades play out, I will be break even on the account. I'm hoping that happens because I don't like being down on the account. It's the first day I've been down on the account and I've not dealt with it very well, but I just hope I can come back from this by the end of today because I'm enjoying myself. I don't want to leave the competition. So yeah, let's get on with it. It's not easy. It's not. You see all these Instagram traders driving around in Lamborghinis and you think, oh, it's a click of a button. It's not that easy. It's only one day, innit? One day of bad trades, the rest have been good days. So you've got to take one day of bad trades, I think. You can't win every day.
So I got this yesterday, perfect, and let it play out and then come in this morning, nice pull back, got in here, waiting for it to come back down to here. And I'll put me in like back to 1% profit, so yesterday I was 1% in profit, and then I took a loss this morning, which put me down to break even. So if this comes in, that'll be over 1% profit, like 1.2% profit. It will, yeah, it will.
The setup looked fine, but yeah, it went against me. Market went against me. So it's taken my stop loss 1%. So I'm still in one. It's down. So I see if that can turn around. Let's watch the market, see what happens.
I'm not gonna close the trade. Sam tell me to stick to the plan, so I'm stick to the plan. And wait. I was winning something like 1 hour ago. Easy cheesy. 0.9 today. Let's see what's going on. Everything can be turnover, so good decision today. Good decision. I'm down 75% of my profit for the day, so that's fine. I have to hold after. If I'm not hold, I don't stick with the plan, and Sam going to kill me. Sam going to kill me. He tell me to don't close my trade too early for 3 times. For the 4th time, he's going to eliminate me for that. So I prefer to hold. Stick to the plan. That's fine. I'm feeling good. I have a good week, so I just have to wait. The biggest problem is my GBP USD who going down, but I can't take my profit here because it's not even 1%. So stick to the plan. I'm on 100k account, so that's normal to have fluctuation. I was up just 1% with 3 trades, so I can close this. I have to wait my TP or at least 1% of profit for every trade, so 3%. Difficult day, difficult one. Everyone going to be down, I guess, because we have a big drawdown on all the pair correlate with yen, and everyone going because it's part of the plan, of the strategy. So the result at the end of the day going to be not the same like yesterday. Not at all. Let's see.
So today has been an absolute shambles of a day. Out of all of the money that you guys have made, you've pretty much given it all back to the markets. So today was over a 5 grand loss. Pretty bad day for
Look at the
everybody,
eyes, look at the eyes.
I, on the other hand, made 4, so we're down 1. But still, we're still having a losing day, which sucks.
Look at the eyes.
So we really need to pull this out of the bag.
He's fine, he's chilled out.
A lot of the mistakes are just tight stop losses. That's pretty much what I would say.
Oh, he's gone, he's gone. He's already in heaven.
And tomorrow is going to be D-Day for a lot of you. So it's time to go through the rankings. We've gone through and ranked everybody. So I'm going to show you exactly where everybody is.
Fucking hell.
So first place, we've got Matthew, who managed to hold on to your profits. Up 4.2%, you lost a little bit, not much. You was up nearly over 5% in total. Could have been a good day if you did close. Richard
no,
is
it's telling him to close when before it was
3,200, roughly 3.9%. Obviously, this percentage is taken into account the account increases over the time, so that's why the percentages don't look exactly as they would be, otherwise it would be 3.2. Andrew Marsh, bad day for you, plus 700 profit. You're still in 3rd with 1.36% gain. 4th place, to be honest with you, 4th, 5th and 6th pretty much all hanging in there, which is Christian, Cayman and James, up between $300 and $100, so there's not really much in it between you. And to be honest with you, the bottom 3 are pretty much, I haven't even put 7th, 8th and 9th. I'd probably say that you're all the same now, so probably a bit of relief for Callum, but we've got Callum down 1,800.
Callum is dead, bro. He's like
Bradley Jones down 2,000.
He's suffering. Look at him.
Bradley Dickinson down 1,500. So 3 of you there, all between the -2%, -3.6%. I think it's too late in the day really to start moving capital around for tomorrow. So overall, we're actually up just around $2,200 on the week. So I'm hoping that tomorrow we don't end on a total loss, because that would suck that we've been here this whole time and we finished down. We've got some staggering, trades. I think if it wasn't for Matthew and Richard, we'd be down a lot more. So I think you owe those guys a pint. Maybe not. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not a game of pool either. So yeah, tomorrow you've got some serious work to do. I don't really want to see anyone tired or moping around on their desks. So let's make sure that we get a good night's sleep. Tomorrow is going to be make or break for some of you. As I said, I'd pretty much say that majority of the individuals there are at risk. I don't really want to see, you know, Matthew, Richard or Andrew trying to play it safe either. Tomorrow I just want to see you taking trades like normal, because you might have to in order to keep everybody in positive form. Yeah. Just want to remind you that we're expecting about 1 million people to see this series, and tomorrow's sort of the cut-off point. So I really don't want people to be sat here being down, because if you're down, you look bad and I look bad as well. Yeah. In fact, I don't look bad because I've got a couple of traders that are doing really well, but I would rather like everybody to finish positive, which is still achievable where we are. It's only 1 or 2 good trades, which is all we need. 1 or 2 good trades to get you out in front. But tomorrow, everyone just needs to be high morale and performing, yeah? It's really important. You guys are trading just the UK markets. I trade the UK and then I trade the US markets. So I do double shifts. So if I'm not tired and falling asleep, then you guys shouldn't either, yeah? So if you are, make yourself a coffee, pop some Pro Plus. I don't care what it takes for you to be sat there wide-eyed, as long as it's not drugs, yeah? Do you have any questions for tomorrow? No? Does anyone need any questions answered or help before we go into tomorrow? 5 of you in here getting a 1-to-1 trade tomorrow and the rest not losing puts us back where we were today.
Alright guys, I gotta bounce.
5 of you going and getting a 2-to-1 puts us up 10 grand in total.
Got bounce to
that's
work.
Where we sort of want to be.
Here's my chart once again. Okay. Oh, what was that? What was that? Did you see that? Look at that. Look at that. Ready? Look. The fuck is that? What's that on my screen? It's just something keeps coming up. It's called the Real Forex Trader. Okay, guys. All right. That's what's up. Yeah. That's what's up. Let's see what we can do. Alright, that's it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, bye bye guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Much love, thank you everyone for coming in today. If you could please hit the like button, that will really help the stream be better, because the more people there is, you know, the better it is. Better the stream becomes. So this thing work. Alright guys, so hit the like button and thank you once again. I love you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And one more thing, if you guys haven't joined my Discord channel, join the Discord. People are very friendly, they trade SMC, they trade tops and bottoms, and it is what it is. See ya guys.